How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2013 Toyota Tundra. Stick around. Okay, I'm using this Mobile One Extended Performance High Mileage 0W20. It calls for almost 8 quarts for this truck. So I got 2 of these at Walmart, cheapest place I could find them. You're going to need a leverage bar. You're going to need the tool for your housing. I'll put that in the description on what it is. It's Motive Tools, so you'll need that for your housing. I got a ratchet, a 12, a 10, and a 14. The 14 is going to be for your oil plug drain. And the filter, if you're going to use the Fran Ultra Synthetic, the code is XG10295. Many options, so this is just the code for this one. And we will be using a socket that's going to be attached to my leverage bar, breaker bar. And you cannot do this. Well, I'm not saying you can't, but it's very difficult to take that oil housing off. You will find out. But I picked this up for $20, Pittsburgh Tools. So very good tool to have, well worth it. And of course you're going to need your oil pan and your funnel. Plus I got this oil plug washer, so the code's 70822. So going under the passenger side, and you'll see that there's the plug right there. So 14, turn it to the left. Whoop. So we're underneath, and right at the front of the car, there's the 10mm ones. Mine are taken off already. Okay, I have 3, and they're already taken off. Then you have 5 of these bolts. It's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this plate off. Showed you how to do it. There's one right there, and one on the end. Okay, we got the skid plate off. Okay, like I said, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we gotta come over here and take this housing off. Okay, it's what's holding the oil filter. Okay, so what you do is you take this cap. Okay, it's got little teeth on it. Put it in here until it fits on. Okay, sometimes it might fit a little funky at first, but as long as it's flush up there, that's what you want. Then you'll put your socket on here and turn it, break it loose. I'm going to turn it to the left, broke it loose. And just turn it. See? Broke it loose. Like that. That's what you want. And just keep turning it till you get it off. Make sure you have your oil pan underneath, like I do. Now we'll take out the old one, clean this up. This is still attached to it, it's stuck, but once we put it in, it'll come off. So, take this out, filter out. There's the new filter. And there's a ring on here. This old ring needs to come out. Okay. The new ring, I'm just gonna get a little bit of oil. It's supposed to be new oil, but and it goes down in that groove. Like so. Okay. Alright, the new filter on. Once we get this put on, that little screw in there, we got to take that out and replace this old little O-ring, and we'll do that in a minute. The filter. When you want to tighten this, you'll hear a click. You should hear a click because this little pin, this little thing clicks on it. It's a little tab. It'll click when you're done. Except on mine, I think the clip got ripped off. So I might not hear a click on mine. There it is. I just cleaned it up. And it's on there. Okay. Now, I need to take this off. See, I popped the top off. Now, we're going to take that off. So, what you do there, actually put that in here. Break it loose. We'll take that cap off. There's a little O-ring in here. I don't know if you can see it. We took it off. We'll take the new O-ring, put some oil on it. Put our metal cap back on. Okay, so it says it's 7.9 quarts for this 5.7 liter Tundra. We're going to be using the 0W20. Okay. I'm going to wait till last. I'm going to wait till the end to put the skid plate on, because I'm going to fire it up, and if it's leaking down there, I'll be able to fix it before I put the skid plate on. It makes no sense to put the skid plate on first and then you have a leak and then have to take it all the way off again. Check the oil level. It's about where it needs to be. Now I just got to check for leaks underneath. Okay, so there's no leaks. It's been running for about 5 minutes. All right, guys, just a little tip. When you're putting the skid plate on, if you want to use like a little scissor jack to hold it in place while you're putting the bolts in, that helps out. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.